फिकी लेडीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने दिल्ली में अपने 31st एनुअल सेशन का आयोजन किया। विषय रहा इंडियाज इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ स्टोरी, स्किलिंग एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ऑफ वुमेन।
Empower them to make their mind feel that stronger, to make their mind stronger. पैसे से कोई empower नहीं होता, लेकिन I believe there's only one legacy which you can take it forward: education. If that legacy you give it to your children and anyone else, that legacy will take this society forward, which you are doing, and I'm really, really thankful to you.
कार्यक्रम के पहले दिन उन महिलाओं के काम को सराहा गया जिन्होंने अपने काम से अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाई है।
ये हमें इनकरेज करता है कि हम जाके और भी बेहतर करें और अपने साथ साथ और भी बाकी महिलाओं को अपने साथ लेके चलेंगे।
अपने हालात बदलने के लिए आपको खुद अपने ही सोल कॉन्शियस को बहुत हाई करना पड़ेगा, अपने ही सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को इस तरीके से ट्यून करना पड़ेगा, so you can empower yourself.
Various initiatives, I think, have made a big difference, and I think just the awareness of women's equality at a corporate level has definitely reached, new heights.
अगर हर महिला जो सोचती है कि वो इस क्षेत्र में काम कर सके, अपना एक छोटा सा इनपुट दे सके और एक और महिला को आगे कर सके, मुझे लगता है कि हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम विश्व भर ग्लोबली एंड हो जाएगी।
फिकी फ्लो का मकसद है द पावर टू एम्पावर। अब आपको दिखाते हैं
दे सके और एक और महिला को आगे कर सके, मुझे लगता है कि हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम विश्व भर ग्लोबली एंड हो जाएगी।
फिकी फ्लो का मकसद है द पावर टू एम्पावर। अब आपको दिखाते हैं क्या खास रहा इस कार्यक्रम के दूसरे दिन।
We begin today's session of the 31st annual session of FLOW by giving green certificates to our esteemed guests. We plant trees in your name and we don't give you bouquet of flowers. May I request Neeta Bujra, President FLOW, to give the green certificate to Right Honorary Baroness Dr. Sandeep Verma. May I request Vinita Bimbet, Vice President FLOW, to give the green certificate to Meenakshi Lekhi, please. May I request President FLOW to give the green certificate to Dr. Subhash Chandra ji. May I now invite Neeta Bujra, President FLOW.
Honorable Baroness Dr. Sandeep Verma, Minister of Energy and Climate, UK, Meenakshi Lekhi ji, Member of Parliament, Dr. Subhash Chandra, Chairman SL Group, Governing Body members, past Presidents FLOW, FLOW Pan-India members, distinguished guests, and the indispensable friends from the media, a very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Ficky Ladies Organization is a pan-India organization with a vision to promote entrepreneurship and professional excellence in women. Taking on the mantle as the President of FLOW in its 31st year was indeed a huge honor and opportunity for me. Along with my team, I steered FLOW towards a theme I firmly believe in: educate, skill and empower. As a culmination of this vision, the theme for the annual session this year was chosen as India's Inclusive Growth Story, Skilling and Entrepreneurship of Women. To what extent have we succeeded in the last 12 months? 2 new chapters of FLOW were added in the last year at Pune and Indore, and the third one at Lucknow Kanpur is on its threshold. Rajasthan is one of the largest Indian state of the country, gained the honor of having a national president of FLOW. 650 new members joined FLOW this year. They showed their faith in our distinguished organization. The best minds shared their thought with us and gave us multi-dimensional prudence and sagacity. Skill development for entrepreneurship and employment became our motto, and we joined the national movement ushered in by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. To acknowledge the efforts of the outstanding performers in each chapter, FLOW Rising Star Skill Awards are being given today. These awards are in recognition of the efforts made by outstanding women who have had the courage and grit to carve a niche for themselves, and because of which our chapters are now skill development aggregators. A leadership and entrepreneurship development program with IIM Bangalore was custom designed for the benefit of all FLOW members, covering important themes. We have built relationships with international organizations like the SAARC Chamber Women Entrepreneur Council, KC, Confederation of Asia Pacific Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We at FLOW are actively promoting women businesses with our partner chamber associates. We have published a book on laws affecting women in India this year with the objective of putting together the various laws and rights of women in an easy to understand manner. I am also privileged to acknowledge that FLOW has signed an MOU with the Telangana State Industrial Infrastructure Corporation for Women Entrepreneur Park at Hyderabad with an earmarked 50 acres of land for women entrepreneurs. Recognizing the power of technology and the phone, the FLOW mobile app was launched to make all information about FLOW available at the press of all our smartphones. Let us carry on our journey with grace and gratitude, with zeal and zing, with dedication and devotion, with creativity and commitment, and with hope and harmony. Here, I would like to conclude with lines that are close to my heart. Ho iradon mein haqiqat, ho iradon mein haqiqat, हौसलों में जलजला, हो इरादों में हकीकत, हौसलों में जलजला, आसमां झुककर तुम्हारे पांव तक आ जाएगा. देख लेना ये किनारा नाव तक आ जाएगा.
It gives me immense pleasure in inviting the Right Honourable Baroness Sandeep Verma, Minister of Energy and Climate Change, Government of UK, to give the inaugural address.
Esteemed panellists and esteemed ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be here today. But FICCI is a business organisation and so can do a lot to change the dynamics of what boardrooms and middle management look like. Every single member of your population here needs to be a productive member, a member that can contribute to the growth of this great country. And it's always been that economic growth has been generated because women tend to be the biggest consumer. Now, if you get that part of the equation right, that the consumer, the end goal, the end buyer, tends to be the purchaser, tends to be the woman, then why aren't you actually managing your discourse, your discussions around the end buyer? Leadership means that we need to be able to generate leaders that will change the dynamics of this country for better, for good. That's the thing. So, thank you very much for hearing me today. Thank you very much.
May I now invite Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, Member of Parliament, to give her special address.
Thank you, Baroness, for giving us a very interesting inaugural address. Subhash ji, Neeta ji, Jyotsna ji, and Ms. Garodia, all my friends, lovely ladies, and a few gentlemen. And when I look around, I see the changes, not just 30 years, but close to 50 years, which Delhi has undergone. And when I see those changes, the strength of fighting back, the strength of character, the skills, and women of the world needs to collect together. And sometimes I very happily and warmly say that for me, Vasudev Kutumbakam, world is a big family. I don't discriminate between daughters. And I want to adopt all those daughters who are abandoned by their own families, who are abandoned by their own societies, and who are abandoned by their own governments. I want to adopt all of them, and I want FICCI, FLOW, to help me adopt all those daughters. Thank you.
May I now invite Dr. Jyotsna Suri, President FICCI, to give her special address.
Meenakshi Lekhi ji, Subhash Chandra ji, Neeta ji, Archana, all of you sitting here, and I know almost all of you sitting here, after that impassioned, political, or what shall I say, dynamic two earlier speakers, I'm going to be pretty mundane about it, and I'm going to actually talk about what FICCI is all about. FICCI is where we are today, and FICCI is what I needed to applaud, and I've done that bit. I think now is passé. and we all need to accept that, at least in our environment. It exists in areas which we hardly ever go to, and that is what we now need to do, is to go to those areas, to that part of rural India, and spread that there is no difference between a man and a woman. And I think we, as responsible Indian women who have seen the best of life, of our lives, we need to share what we have learned. And I think that's the role that I would really request Vicky, YFlow, and Flow to take upon themselves to reach out and educate and help those young women, girls who are treated in a manner which is totally not acceptable. And with Vicky, we are going to be able to reach out and do something, whether it's in the form of distributing certain packets or whether it's in the form of educating them, but we need to pick up at least maybe city of Delhi or some rural area around us where we can nurture those girls and not let them drop out from school, because that's where it all begins. I'm surprised at the kind of work that all of us do and all of you do. And for that I need to also compliment Neeta ji, because she's done some great work. On behalf of Vicky, I request you all to congratulate her and compliment her for a great year done. I also want to welcome her incoming president, and I know that she will continue with the same dedication and the same flavor and the same verve that her predecessor has just done. So, ladies and very few gentlemen, please welcome the incoming president as well. So I thank you all for being here, as always, supporting everything, and I'm now going to leave the floor.
Sunny Herbals hair color. Try it. Natural and safe from Maxon's Homeopathy.
For natural condition and shine, Sunny Herbals hair color.
नमस्कार, आज तापमान हाफ सेंचुरी मारेगा और गर्मी के कारण तालाब सूखने लगेंगे। लो प्रेशर के कारण तेज बारिश आ सकती है और 500 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से अफ्रीका की रेत यहाँ उठकर आएगी।
पेश है हर वेदर के लिए एशियन पेंट्स अल्टीमा प्रोटेक्ट फॉर अल्टीमेट प्रोटेक्शन।
टके तेरे जैसे 36 राइटर मेरे पास आते हैं।
किसने अधिकार दिया आपको मेरे नॉवल के साथ खिलवाड़ करने का? चाहे कचरा ही छपके क्यों ना बिक रहा हो बाजार में, इट्स ऑल गुड।
मैं रॉकी इधर उधर हर कार के पीछे भागते रहता हूँ, पर अपनी पसंद की कार नहीं मिली। एक दिन बॉस को उसे अपनी पसंद की कार cartrade.com पे मिली है। यहाँ लाखों यूज्ड कार्स, हजारों सर्टिफाइड कार्स। कार है लेना, Cartrade है ना।
Ma'am, the new Bolt is ready for test drive.
Sir, the new Bolt with the powerful Revotron 1.2 turbo.
Yes. It also has a
touchscreen infotainment system, SMS readouts, voice command and navigation.
And also a
9th Gen ABS with EBD.
The multi-drive, multi-feature Bolt.
Get set.
Bolt.
मैं अपने बच्चे को अच्छी से अच्छी एजुकेशन और बेहतर जिंदगी देना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन फिर मैं उन सब अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों के बारे में सोचती हूँ जो एक मुश्किल जिंदगी जीने के लिए मजबूर हैं। हर परिवार को सालाना 6,816 रुपए की एलपीजी सब्सिडी मिलती है, लेकिन अगर हम जैसे सशक्त परिवार इस एलपीजी सब्सिडी को ना कर दें तो हम ऐसे कई अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों को बेहतर जिंदगी का उपहार दे सकते हैं। हम सशक्त हैं, आइए देश को भी सशक्त बनाएं, मदद का हाथ आगे बढ़ाएं। मेरी तरह आप भी एलपीजी सब्सिडी को ना करें और देश को आगे बढ़ाने में भागीदार बनें।
I have great pleasure in inviting the chairperson of SL Group to deliver the keynote address on India's growth story, quality of an entrepreneur. And there is no difference in men or women and others. But before that, a small clip.
मैं सपनों की कीमत समझता हूँ, चाहे वो छोटे हों चाहे बड़े हों, और यदि सपने पूरे ना हो तो उसकी टीस क्या होती है वो भी समझता हूँ।
Dr. Subhash Chandra.
अगर आप ईमानदार ट्रांसपेरेंसी से काम करते हैं तो आपको और लोग भी रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, आपके साथ जुड़ते हैं। भारतवर्ष की समस्या क्या है? सबसे बड़ी, हम लोग अपना प्राइड खो चुके हैं और यही बात लागू होती है आपके एम्प्लॉइज के ऊपर। अच्छे की एम्प्लॉइज will stay with you if they have pride in the brand, in the company they work. डायनामिक रहना पड़ेगा आपको, बस क्योंकि ये तो शेर की सवारी है, आप इससे उतर नहीं सकते एक बार चलने के बाद।
Under the accomplishments of Dr. Chandra, India has risen to be the most dominating player in the world of television. Known to be the most humble, the work and contribution of Dr. Chandra has been monumental. The inception and intrigue of such a man is Dr. Subhash Chandra.
I'm really happy here today to be amongst all of you on the 31st annual session of the Flow. It was a very eye-opener for me to have come to know that you are running not only this organization for 31 years, but also with 12 chapters across the country, with 3,800 members, and now you have added the Young Flow to your arsenal. मीनाक्षी जी ने कहा कि 35% GDP का एडिशन इज बाय दिस स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस। मैं दूसरे रूप से अगर इसको देखूं तो भारतवर्ष में ही नहीं, विश्व में सब जगह family owned business enterprises run about 80% of the GDP of this globe. 80% of the GDP of the globe is contributed by the family run businesses. So क्यों ऐसा होता है कि कुछ परिवार एक पीढ़ी बिजनेस को डेवलप करती है, दूसरी उसको परवान चढ़ाती है, आगे बढ़ाती है, तीसरी में वो स्टेबलाइज होके गिरने लगती है। कई कई परिवारों में ये भी देखा कि एक पीढ़ी ने बनाया, दूसरी में ही डाउनफॉल शुरू हुआ। तो मैंने ये सोचा कि क्यों ना आप में से सबको लगभग ये एक्सपीरियंसेस होंगे, क्योंकि ये भी मेरा एक मानना है साथ में कि औरत जो होती है वो परिवार की एक धुरी होती है, धुरी जिसके इर्द गिर्द पूरा परिवार घूमता है। कुछ परिवारों को मैंने सोचा तो मुझे लगा कि उनमें क्या अलग सी चीजें थी जो दूसरों में नहीं थी, जो परिवार 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 पीढ़ी तक भी अभी चल रहे हैं। तो उसमें मुझे 10 चीजें नजर आई। कुछ तो चीजें हैं जो मेरे ख्याल से सभी को पता है, आपने बहुत बार सुनी होंगी, आगे भी सुनेंगे, कि ये सब लोग जॉब क्रिएटर्स थे। उन्होंने अपना धन अर्जित करने की तो बात की, बट दे ऑल्सो क्रिएटेड जॉब्स फॉर अदर्स, विच इज वेरी कॉमन थ्रेड। एंड देन मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर लॉन्ग टर्म थिंकर्स, एंड दीज आर नेवर अ फिक्स्ड इनकम ग्रुप, एंड दे आर रिस्क टेकर्स। That whenever those people faced difficulty in their lives, they saw a financial downturn in their lives, they stood by it. They took it nicely. Then another quality in these people I found was persistence, which is what you have in your president and her team. She was consistently consistent. I must have refused her 6 times that I am not coming. But she said, no, you have to come. So, and I'm here. Entrepreneur and right entrepreneur, those families, those who stay for long, they never take no for an answer. They find a solution to a no. It may be a long journey, it may be hard journey, it may be difficult journey, but they will keep at it. Then one more unique thing we found. I say that absolute power corrupts. And what it does is that it corrupts your brain cells. That's, of course, my own theory, that absolute power corrupts your brain cells and your rational thinking faculties are suppressed. That happens in some of our business families as well. Seventh is a person is a giver. Those families were always givers. They were always willing to give something. Whosoever came to their house, darwaza, हाथ का उत्तर जैसे बोलते हैं उसको दे के ही भेजते थे. For good causes, whether you give it for education, whether you give for anything. So this was the division according to some of these people, which kept them going for many generations. Two more things, three more things. As they kept a purpose behind it, purpose of existence of that family. This family is known for this purpose. Once you are living for a purpose, your colleagues, your suppliers, your partners, everybody will support you even much more. Then they never forgot their roots. They always kept going back to their roots and always remembered. And the 10th was that they uplifted the people downtrodden around their workplaces. किसी का फैक्ट्री कहीं पे है तो उन्होंने आसपास के 10-20 गांव अडॉप्ट कर लिए. And of course today I learned from Baroness Verma. She told that if the board had more women, the profitability of the company became big. So I'm going to experiment it with one of my company to be all women board. With that, I am grateful for Neetaji and her team and FICCI as well as FICCI Flow to given me this opportunity and honor to be amongst you. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.
किसी ने अपने हुनर से तराशा मुझे, तो किसी ने अपने हुनर से कमाया मुझे और किसी ने अपने हुनर से बढ़ाया. हम जानते हैं आपके हुनर का मोल. जी बिजनेस, आपका फायदा.
The world has moved beyond air conditioners to life conditioners.
Presenting Panasonic Life Conditioners with 35% faster cooling, 99% purer air, and up to 65% savings.
Ready to go beyond?
Panasonic.
मैं रॉकी इधर उधर हर कार के पीछे भागते रहता हूँ, पर अपनी पसंद की कार नहीं मिली. एक दिन बॉस्को, उसे अपनी पसंद की कार cartrade.com पे मिली है. यहाँ लाखों यूज्ड कार, हजारों सर्टिफाइड कार्स. कार है लेना, कार्ट्रेड है ना. मैं रॉकी इधर उधर हर कार के पीछे भागते रहता हूँ, पर अपनी पसंद की कार नहीं मिली. एक दिन बॉस्को, उसे अपनी पसंद की कार cartrade.com पे मिली है. यहाँ लाखों यूज्ड कार्स, हजारों सर्टिफाइड कार्स. कार है लेना, कार्ट्रेड है ना.
May I now invite GB member Flo.
We shall start from the awardee of Delhi, and our first awardee for today is Ms. Jaimala. Mrs. Jaimala had attended a workshop on personality development and English conversation by Flo. She opened her own business in partnership with the name Maitri Food Products. She is now producing and selling bakery products, jam, murabba and chocolates. She has encouraged the women in her neighborhood, and most of them want to now take a step out of being an achiever like her, Jaimala. Our second achiever for today is Ms. Nirmala, a young girl, just 22 years. Her father is an embroiderer. She took up a step further after attending a workshop of Flo and started the business in partnership with the name Maitri Food Products. She is now producing and selling bakery products, jam, murabba and chocolates. Nirmala is currently pursuing her graduation and is self-sufficient in taking care of her college expenses. Next awardee for today is Miss Somaya, who is from an Orthodox Muslim family. Flow Ahmedabad along with Hina Divine, the company who provided trainings to Flow, identified Somaya through a community event and took her under their wings. May I now request Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi to come and recognize our next awardees and give the next award. The awardee name is Ms. Jyoti. Jyoti learned core skills of business before starting her own business, the market research, marketing, pricing. She also learned soft skills like networking and customer dealing, Jyoti stitching and sewing art. With just ₹10,000 and an investment towards a sewing machine, she now works for an export house. For today is from Ludhiana chapter Sandhya Gupta. She is youngest daughter of a hand flat machine operator. She took 3 months of training between June and September 2014. Her performance at these trainings by Flow has been excellent and she soon bagged a job at KFC, Chandigarh as a crew member. Mrs. Jyotna Suri to please come forward and give away the next round of awards. Our next awardee is from Mumbai. Flow Mumbai facilitated Malti's training by tying up with NK Dadi Public Charitable Trust. Malti is currently working with Cancer Society as an administrative assistant and she is currently earning handsome by freelancing as a jewelry designer. Next awardee is Varsha. Varsha got training from none other than Nalini of Nalini and Yasmin, a leading business entity in wellness industry. Flow Mumbai facilitated her training by tying up with NK Dadi Charitable Trust. Varsha got training for 5 weeks and just by working on weekends is funding her own education. She plans to open her own salon in her mother's name and shall also finish her college education simultaneously. Our next awardee for today is Sneh Topno, Flow Northeast awardee. Flow tied up with Swamblambam, a skill development initiative by All India Limited under their CSR initiative. Sneh is trained in jewelry designing and she is currently working for Mathura, a reputed retail outlet for handloom and handicrafts in Guwahati. So, well, this is the awards that we have given away today. Thank you so much.
मैं रॉकी इधर उधर हर कार के पीछे भागते रहता हूँ पर अपनी पसंद की कार नहीं मिली। एक दिन बॉस को उसे अपनी